Hi guys, today I show how to activate Rodret remote and pair with the Tradfri power supply. The battery is not included, we must use the AAA battery. Inside we have stickers for mounting the remote control on the wall and metal piece for mount with the screws. Remote have a magnet and hold very well. We give the battery inside. Under the cover we have button for reset and pair with the power supply. If you click 4 times the button, the remote is ready to pair. Let's go to pair devices together. Put the remote so close. Please press and hold the pairing button on the remote control for 10 seconds. The light will flash gently and then let you know with a strong pulse that everything is okay. The options available on the remote control include turning on, turning off, brightening and dimming. I think everything is clear. If you have any questions for me, please ask at comments. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Thank you and bye bye.